Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're down at our local tyre fitters. It's called Ian Brown Tyres, who we use for MOTs, tyres, air conditioning, regas and tracking. Now this XK8 X100 1996 on a P, one of the early ones, has been in our garage for a full recommission. So it's been in with us for quite a while. It went to our body shop first of all to have the rear bumper repainted, but it's had new, I'm not sure if you can see this, the light is so bright today. It's had new sill ends fabricated, welded in and fitted, painted. It's also had the door mirror covers painted, and it's had all four wheels refurbished, powder coated, balanced, and it looks absolutely stunning. We've machine polished the car, we've fully serviced the car, gearbox service, engine service including plugs, fuel filter, air filter, set of new wiper blades, all the hood's been deep cleaned, and what else have we done? So much. Put a new earth strap on it which had broken. We did a full brake fluid flush and bleed. We put two new anti-roll bar drop links on the rear, and we also deep cleaned the interior, and it looks absolutely stunning in teal. Look at that. We've detailed it to death. Now this driver's seat was all sort of scabby like they go on the bolster and on the seat base, but we've recoloured that and reconalized it, and we've polished all the wood and cleaned it all and detailed in all the nuts and crannies, shampooed all the carpets, put a brand new set of floor mats in, and now it's here for an MOT and for the tracking to be done, and then the customer can take the car away and enjoy it for the rest of the summer. Like I say, it's been quite a long job. We've had lots to do on it. We did the full dinitrol, well, clean off underneath and a full dinitrol treatment. Like I say, spent a long time machine polishing it, ceramic coat. We used the proper iridium spark plugs, NGK spark plugs in it. We used Castrol oils, genuine filters. So it's had absolutely everything. Let's have a look in here. Look at that in there. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? You know, this car's covered about 40,000 miles. And the guy who has it, lovely gentleman, he's had it for about 10 years, and he was debating whether to sell it or not, and to get something else, but he just loves the car. He's a Jaguar enthusiast. He has an E-Type as well, and he said, you know what, let's get this car fully recommissioned, as good as you can get it, and I think he's going to carry on using it, which I don't blame him, because although it's cost a few grand to get sorted, it's back to how it should be, and it's all ready to enjoy. There's nothing wrong with the car now, so hopefully it'll go straight through his MOT in about half an hour with no problems, and we're just waiting for my friend to track it. He's the best at tracking cars. They're absolutely perfect. He does a brilliant job down at Ian Brown Tyres. So yeah, there you go. Just thought you'd like to have a quick look at what we've been doing. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. See you again soon. Bye for now.